Why is SpaceX making Starlink? SpaceX is aiming to do a lot of things in the world, including their efforts to put humanity on Mars. But in the early parts of 2019, they started launching rockets into space to start up their Starlink program. Starlink is a program to help bring the internet to people all over the world, including bringing very high quality internet to people in the most isolated parts of the world. For countries like the US, the aim is to boost the internet's power so that there will be no latency issues. However, there's another advantage of launching these satellites. With each successful launch, SpaceX is continuing to test the Falcon rockets, which will help during the Mars's missions. As of June 2020, SpaceX has launched 480 satellites in space. But to complete this mission, a total of 12,000 satellites have to be sent into orbit, which will happen in a decade or so. This started in 2015 when Musk announced that they were working on a satellite communication network. The original plan for Starlink was that they were going to build 2 prototype satellites, launch them into space, and then test how the reception and broadband signal was. But there was just one big problem. Making a receiver that people could use to connect with the satellites at an affordable cost wasn't easy. They designed it in such a way that normal people could also operate it without having to be tech savvy. Because of this, instead of launching the satellites in 2016 as intended, they didn't launch until 2018. After their announcement in 2015, SpaceX was quiet about the Starlink program until November of 2018. That's when Federal Communications Commission (FCC) approved their launching of the full 12,000 satellite network. That was a celebrating moment for Elon Musk and his company, because without that approval, they wouldn't have gotten their worldwide grid goal. Once that approval was made, the preparations for the launch of the satellites began. Then in May 2019, the first 60 satellites were launched, and they were done in such a way that you could actually see them in space going into their various positions if you were in the right spot to look. SpaceX has tried and done everything to make sure that the possible waste created in space caused by the network of satellites is minimum. They were able to convince the FCC that these satellites will burn up by 95% when it will enter the atmosphere. Now you must be thinking, how would the network of satellites work together for communication? At first, SpaceX was very reluctant to tell any information about this program so that no one will be able to start another same mission. But to get approval by FCC, they were forced to reveal the details about the Starlink program. The details included that these satellites would have at least 5 laser systems on them to communicate. Through the use of laser system, the Starlink grid will allow for much lower latency across longer distances and thus providing a better internet. This would be the selling point or money maker for this program, and it would be nothing like we have seen before, much like every other Elon Musk project. The system will have its own problems and issues, but it will be still less complicated than fiber optic cables that are being used currently. There is no doubt that there are going to be glitches when it will actually start working. But it's good to say for now that SpaceX will sort it out as they have done in the past. The main aim why Elon Musk is working on such a massive program is to connect the world through the internet. We are in 2020 and still about half of the world's population is offline, and that is a staggering number. Starlink is truly made to help get that number down, even if it will take some time and effort to do so. For example, one of the ways that third world countries will be able to get to the internet is via a Starlink terminal. Even if Elon is not interested in the money for now, but to keep the operations and company working, they'll have to make money somehow. If everything goes right for the program, Elon's Starlink program could bring in about $30 to $50 billion a year just from the stock market people buying into the system as well as others. This is well over 10 times what SpaceX is making in a year right now. This would be a huge deal for SpaceX. Why, you ask? SpaceX is trying to be more than your next internet provider. They're trying to take us into space. All this money could be put into the Mars colonization program, which is Elon's dream right now in many ways. And with the extra money, they can do more tests and experiments on how to go and make things better for humanity by making faster ships. So in a way, by trying to make Starlink work right in the next few years, Elon is helping ensure the future of SpaceX and the innovations that they are trying to make. Do you think this is possible in next few years to come? Let us know in the comments and like this video. For more videos like these, subscribe to our channel.